Now we are going to learn trapezium rule. In this trapezium rule, we will find area. You can listen. Stop. With the help of trapezium rule, we can find area between curve and x-axis. Suppose this is your curve, which is y equals fx, right? And we need to find area of y is equal to fx with respect to x-axis from a to b, right? Now we have divided this whole function from a to b in n parts, n parts with gap of h, but h is very small. H is the gap, but h is very small, right? It tends to 0. That's very, very small. By the way, how many cuts we have made? N. So this is a and this is b, and from a to b it is divided in n parts. So this is one part, then second. So this gap is h. So suppose this point is a, then this point will be a plus h, right? So this point will be a plus h. Now we have this point a plus h, and then again we have gap of h. So this will be a plus 2h. This point a plus 3h. This point a plus 4h. Then suppose we have n parts. So this is first cut a plus h, second cut a plus 2h, third a plus 3h, fourth a plus 4h. So last will be a plus nh, and the last point was b. So I can say a plus nh equals b, right? So first statement. Second statement is why it is trapezium rule, because if you join this to this by a straight line, if you join this and this, these two ends are a straight line, this means a straight line, a straight line, a straight line, and a straight line. So these are trapezium, yes or no? So if you use trapezium rule, then of course you will have some slight difference between area by the trapezium rule and area by the integration. You will have some differences. Why? See, you can check here, some parts are left, right? Some parts are left, some parts are left, some parts are left. So maybe your area maybe slighter, less or greater. Did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, by the way, we are not going to integrate this because we have to find area by using trapezium rule. So we already found many trapeziums here. So just we will find area of this trapezium, we will find area of this trapezium, we will find area of this trapezium. Similarly, we will find area of this trapezium, whole area of trapezium, and just we will add all those trapeziums area, we will get this shape areas, right? Okay, so area of trapezium is, we know that area of the trapezium is half times sum of parallel sides, right? So what is this length, guys? This is y equals fx. So this coordinate will be a comma f of a, right? So a is x length and f of a is y length. So what is this length, guys? F of a, right? Similarly, this coordinate will be a plus h comma f of a plus h. This coordinate will be a plus 2h comma f of a plus 2h. So now what is happening here? If I try to find area of this trapezium, so half, and this length is f of a plus this length is f of a plus h, and then times height. Height will be h, right? This gap will be considered as height. So this is h. Did you understand? Okay, so this is area of one trapezium plus. Now we need to find area of this trapezium. Can you tell what's the area of this trapezium?
Half.
Okay, half.
F of
yeah, this length f of
a plus h.
Okay, plus this length. What is that?
Of a plus 2h.
F of a plus 2h, then times h, right? Okay, great. Can you find? Can you tell me area of this trapezium? Half times. Yeah.
B.
Yeah.
Half times f of 2a plus 2h.
This is f of a. This is f of a plus h. This is f of a plus 2h. Yeah. f of
A plus 2h
yes, next
plus f of a plus 3h.
3h, then times height, right? Similarly, we will find area of this, all trapezium's area we will have. Now we have to find area of this trapezium. By the way, this coordinate will be a plus nh comma f of a plus nh. And this will be a plus n minus 1h comma f of a plus n minus 1h, one less, right? So what will be the last one? So add everything and half times this length will be f of a plus n minus 1 h and plus this length will be f of a plus nh then times height, right? Okay, so something is common. Can you tell me what is that? Half times h is common, right? So inside we got here f of a, here we got f of a plus h. Okay, now what we got from here? F of
A plus h.
a plus h plus f of a plus 2h. What we got from here?
A plus 2h.
F of a plus 2h and f of a plus 3h. And then dot dot dot. What we got in the end? F of
A plus n minus
f of a plus n minus 1h plus f of a plus nh, right? We got that. Okay, great. Okay, guys, so after this, I'm going to erase and I will write again this part. Okay. So here, please check. Now there is area equals, I will write 1 over 2 times h, and this is f of a. It came once. So f of a is one time appeared in this. And if you check f of a plus nh, it is also appeared one time. And if you observe f of a plus h, it appeared here as well as here two times, right? F of a plus 2h is here as well as here. F of a plus 3h is here as well as here. F of a plus nh, f of a plus n minus 1h also will appear twice, but f of a plus nh will appear once. So now f of a and f of a plus nh, I can write it because they appeared once. Okay? Now plus f of a plus h and f of a plus h. Can I write twice of f of a plus h? Can I write that? Okay. Now similarly, f of a plus 2h and f of a plus 2h. Now we have two times. So already I have taken two. So can I write here f of a plus 2h and at the end f of a plus n minus 1h because it also appeared two times. So 2 is here. Did you understand till this is step? Okay, great. Now in the beginning, I told you a plus nh equals b, right? A plus nh was b. So finally, can we write area equals 1 over 2 times h means gap. This is f of a plus f of b, right? And plus 2 times f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, and f of a plus n minus 1h. We can write that. Okay, so this is one way to present trapezium rule. Okay, this is one way to present trapezium rule. And another way can be defined as, please check, f of a, f of a, f of a is the initial value, right? So this initial value I will present by y naught. Y naught means value when x was a. And f of b was a plus nh. So I will say this is yn, nh. So yn. This is f of a plus h. So n value is 1. So I will say this is y1, right? What I will say this? Y2. And what I will say this? Yn minus 1. So either you can write the way I presented over there, or you can write area equals 1 over 2 times h times bracket. This is y naught. This is y1, yn, sorry, and the twice of y1 plus y2 plus y3 and finally yn minus 1. Okay, so same thing. Y naught, but you should know what is the meaning of y naught. What's y naught? F of a. And yn is f of b at end value. And y1 is f of a plus h. Right? Please note down this. So students, now we are going to solve one question. Question says, use the trapezium rule to find ordinates to estimate integration of 1 over x, limit 1 to 3, giving your answer correct to 3 decimal places. Okay. Show the exact value of this integral is ln3. That's the integration we have to use. And the C part that says calculate the percentage error in the estimate found in part A. Okay, so what is our question? Question says fx equals 1 over x, and 1, 2, 3 we have to integrate for function 1 over x. 3 decimal places we have to give answer. So we have to find area by using 2 methods. First is by trapezium rule, and second is by normal integration. So if you integrate it, guys, 1 over x integration is ln x, ln mod x actually, and then 1, 2, 3. Then this is ln 3 minus ln 1. So this is ln 3 itself, and ln 1 is 0. So ln 3, right? So we got ln 3. So first we found B part. That was easy. Now first part that says use trapezium rule with 5 ordinates. Guys, 5 ordinates means how many divisions? 5 or 4? 4 divisions, because 5 ordinates. One it will consider first ordinate will be f of 1 itself, right? Okay, so it means 5 ordinates we need to find. Are you understanding? Okay, so how can we find that, guys? First, ordinate means y coordinate. F of 1 we can find, right? Okay, Muzammil, what is f of 1? Please tell me.
1.
Anji?
1.
1?
Yeah,
Okay.
1.
And what would be the value of h over here? Value of h?
A plus nh equals b, so it's a plus 5, h equals 3, and then you are to find h.
Exactly. So guys, f of x is 1 over x. First of all, we should find this, we should use this result, a plus and b equal a plus and h. It was a plus and h. A plus and h equals b, and we have a as 1, and we understood 5 ordinates means n value is 4, right? So 4h equals, and these 3. So h equals 3 minus 1 by 4, which is 1 over 2, right?
Yeah.
So they got h equals 1 over 2. Muzammil, did you understand? Okay. So now f of 1 we need to find. What will be f of 1? 1 over 1, which is 1. We need to find f of 1 plus h. It means f of 1 plus half. It means f of 1.5 we need to find. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So 1 over 1.5, you can tell me. Now f of 1 plus 2h we need to find. F of 1 plus 2 times half. It means f of 2 we need to find, which is 1 over 2. Now f of 1 plus 3h I need to find. F of 1 plus 3 times half, right? So how much? F of 2.5. 1 over 2.5 I need to find. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. And now f of 1 plus 4h I need to find. So how many coordinates? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. So f of 1 plus 4 times half. How much? F of 3. It means 1 over 3 I need to find. Okay. So what is 1 over 1.5? How much? Yeah. So 2 over 3.
Yeah, 2 over
Okay. And this is 0.5. And this is how much?
2 over 5.
2 over 5. And that is 1 over 3. Understood now? Okay. So we found 5 coordinates. Now we will apply. I can erase this part. Now, guys, I will apply area formula of trapezium rule. Area is 1 over 2 times h times. We know that f of a plus f of b plus twice of f of a plus h, and we know that at last will be f of a plus n minus 1h. Okay. So according to our question, that will be half times h times. What is f of a? F of a is 1. F of 1. And f of b means last one, which is f of 3. Did you understand?
Yeah.
And 2 times inside f of a plus h, which will be
2 by 3.
f of first I'm writing.
So what will be the value?
Yeah, it's y values. Yes. So should I write y value then? Yeah, better. Because already we found.
Yeah.
So why should we repeat again? So directly I can write f half times h was also half, right? And then times f of a. F of a means 1. F of b, that is this one.
Third.
F of 3, right? This is f of 3. So 1 over 3. Then 2 times f of a plus h, like 1 plus
2 by 3.
2 by 3.
Plus 0.5.
And f of 1 plus 2h, 0.5. Right? And f of 1 plus 3h, 2 by 5. Right? Now, can you use calculator and can you give me answer for this? Please check. I got 1.117. Right? This area we got with the help of trapezium rule. Yeah, it's fine. Understood now? Please note down this. Copied? Okay, please note down.
So f of 1 plus h is 1, right?
Yes, it's 5.
Okay, that's why 1.
Yeah, you can write y1. This will be, guys, y0. This will be y1. This will be y2. This will be y3. And this will be y4. And since n is 4, so y4, till y4 you have to find. Now, students, we need to find percentage error. Okay, because we found area by 2 methods. One is by integration and one by trapezium rule. So what's the error? I told you in the beginning that you will have some differences between these two areas, exact area and area by trapezium rule. Okay. So what was the area by integration? What's the area by integration, guys? By integration area. This is your exact area, which was ln3, right? Yeah, what's the value?
We said it was ln1 x minus.
Yeah, so that already I found value. What is ln3 value?
1.0
1.09861.
9861.
And what is that? 1.117. So which one is bigger? This one is bigger, right? Okay. So change will be 1.117 minus ln3, right? And suppose we need to find change percentage, then 1.117 minus ln3 over original, which is ln3 times 100, right? Can you tell me now? 1.68%. So this much is the error, right? 1.68%. So our area has been increased slightly by 1.68%, right? Original is smaller, but the area by trapezium, we got some increment. So this type of question will come in your exam. Question 14 says, the diagram shows the graph of y equals x ln x. The region R is bounded by the curve, the x-axis and the line x equals 2. So graph is given to us. A part that says explain y 0 to 2x ln x dx would not give the area of R. Of course, it will not give you area of capital R. Like whole region area, it will not give. The reason is some parts are above x-axis and some parts are below x-axis. So we have to take mod from 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2. 1 to 2 normal area you will get positive, but 0 to 1 you will get negative area. So we have to make that positive by applying mod. Okay, now B part. Calculate an estimate for the area of R using trapezium rule and intervals of width 0.5, right? Did you understand? Okay, so here as well we will first find 0 to 1, right, and then 1 to 4, because here also you cannot directly add, otherwise it will take negative values. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start now. I am going to do this question. So this is question number 14. So this is our graph, guys. And this is 0. This is 1. And suppose this is 2. We have to find this area and we have to find this area. This is y equals x ln x. So A part is 0 to 2 x. This is integration. Have we done by parts method? Yeah.
That's further. It's the next few chapters.
Do we have another chapter of integration?
Yes, it's called further.
Oh.
We have yet to do it.
So it means we are not going to.
Questions not?
Yeah, explain why. Oh, so no need to integrate this. No need to integrate, because just we have to explain why. If you directly integrate, then that will not give you exact area. So just we have to tell some parts are below x-axis, area will be. You have to write in English statement. So 0 to 1 parts lie below x-axis. That's fine. Area will be negative and here area will be positive. If we directly integrate, suppose this area is -2, here area is 5. So total actual area will be 7, 2 this and 5 this. But if you integrate, then it will take -2 plus 5, it is 3, which is not equal to 7. I hope you understood, right? So here we have to give only example, because we cannot integrate right now because you guys did not learn by parts method of integration. Okay, so this is just an explanation. Now B part, actually this part we need to calculate an estimate for area of R using trapezium rule and the intervals of width. So guys, H is 0.5, it is given. A is given to 0 to 1. First I would like to consider 0 to 1 and then 1 to 2, because 0 to 1 area will be negative. You have to make that positive. Are you understanding? So A is 0 and B is 1. This is for from guys 0 to 1. Okay.
Yeah.
And then here from 1 to 2. So again, A is 1, B is 2, and H is 0.5. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to find the value of N as well. So A plus NH equals B.
Four.
A, sorry?
And we can just.
Yeah, and H is 0.5, B is 1. So N is 2, 1 over 0.5, right?
Yeah.
Here also you will get A is 1 and H is 0.5, B is 2. So again, if you solve, you will get 2. And sorry, N is from here to here, it will be 2. Understood? Okay. So area will be half times H times Y0, Y2, right? And twice of Y1 only because Y2 is over here, nothing left. Did you understand here?
Yeah.
Okay. And area will be here half times H times N is 2. So again Y0, then Y2 plus twice of
So
Y1. Sorry?
Y1 over is what?
Yeah, so N is 2. N is 2. So Y0, then Y2, and inside Y1 only, right? Okay. So guys, here half times and H is 0.5, it is already given. Y0 is the initial value. So guys, this is f of x, which is x times ln x. So can you put 0 here? It's already in the graph, it is given, that's 0, right? And y2 will be this one, right? 1. So put 1. So 1 times ln 1. So that will be again 0. Plus 2 times y1. Y1 is how much? You know, y1 is f of a plus 1h. So f of a is 0, 1 and h is 0.5. So this is f of 0.5, right?
Yeah.
So this is f of 0.5 is 0.5 times ln 0.5, and it will be negative. Can you tell how much? 0.5 times ln 0.5. It will be some negative value. How much? Negative
0.3435.
35. Okay. Now, guys, multiply this by 2 times negative 0.35 times 0.5 times half. Tell me how much.
Okay, wait. Yeah, do it.
It is minus 1.7. Can you check?
You
2 and 2 cancel. 0.5 times 0. It will be 0.175. Negative 0.175. Yes. So we got negative. I told you you will get negative, right? So we got negative. But if you talk about area, guys, so you know the area should be positive. So we have to apply mod. Mod. So finally, what will be the area? 0.175. This will be the area. Okay. Now let's figure out here. Half times 0.5 times y0. Here y0 will be f of 1, which is 0. You can check. And y2. So y2 we need to find. Y2 is f of a plus actually 2h. Yes or no? So and f of a is 1, 2, and h is 0.5. So basically it is f of 2, right? So what is f of 2 times ln 2? 2 ln 2 plus 2 times, guys, f of 1. F of 1 will be f of a plus 1h. A is 1, 1 times 0.5. So f of 1.5. So it is 2 times and f of 1.5. 1.5 times ln 1.5. 1.5 times ln 1.5. Now, can you do this calculation, guys? Everyone. So, guys, after calculation, we will get 0.65, and we got directly positive value. Of course, we should get positive value because this portion lies above x-axis. Okay. So, what is R? Yes.
Utilization of
Yes. Area. Total area of these two. So that will be 0.175 plus 0.65. Can you add, guys?